Over 450 kilometers in length, this river passes 3 different districts in the Riau province and crosses more than 47 villages. Downstream, the width of the river can vary from 200 meters to 2 kilometers before it finally meets the Malacca Straits at its river mouth. Under the pull of the moon, during the full moon or new moon periods, the sea levels rise in both the Malacca Straits and the South China Sea, creating giant tidal waves that sweep 50 to 60 kilometers up the Kampar River. As the leading edge of the incoming tide rushes upward to the narrow funneled river mouth with the lowest freshwater level of the Kampar River, it creates waves that can reach up to 2 meters in height, rushing upriver for 2 hours against the direction of the river current before it finally loses its strength. Often 6 to 13 consecutive waves appear depending on the bottom contours and the depth of the river. The waves are low near the river mouth and rear up as the river narrows. A tsunami-like sound, fearsome roar, and misty spray accompany these tidal bore phenomenon, or what the locals call Bono.
Bono, kalau kita artikan dengan bahasa Indonesia, itu adalah benar. Suatu ombak yang diciptakan oleh pasang.
Hopping and jumping up from the top to the very last drop, and this is W sound system. Are you ready, road boys?
Don't keep that body moving, baby.
You know, I've caught some long waves, like about a minute long, and usually that in surfing is like 10 minutes. So once you actually do get a 10 to 20 minute wave, that's like an hour, really.
It's a proper fitness test. Like, I thought I was kind of fit, I'm not fit at all.
I never had a wave like this. Make me so tired. Just one wave. Just one wave is so long. Too long, I think.
Horizon, sunrise in, waves shaking hands we say. What beaches, board shorts, this is living man. Let the sun sizzle our backs as we paddle out the back, surrounded by good company. The sea sets us free. Escape from the rat race. This is my space. No need to log in. What we've got is mellow mind states. Forever dancing on the waves. Acrobatic board display. Offshore breeze, warm degrees. The perfect day. We're gonna ride this out till the sun comes down for the freedom, freedom. Ride this out till the sun comes down for the freedom, freedom. The tide is coming in, that's when the session ends. Crew will chill up Bobby Hill. This is living, man. Bragging about that left you got, that no one saw or just forgot. Sound of the seas, the soundtrack theme. Living the dream, wasting time, Corona and lime. Sunsets behind, the backdrop of the perfect picture. Mother Nature kissed ya. Forever we will live this way. Embrace the ocean spray. We are blessed, picturesque, the perfect day. We're gonna ride this out till the sun comes down for the freedom, freedom. Ride this out till the sun comes down for the freedom, freedom. Ride and forever be free. We just wanna live free. We will ride and forever be free. We just wanna live free. We're gonna ride this out till the sun comes down for the freedom, freedom. Ride this out till the sun comes down for the freedom, freedom. The tide is coming in, that's when the session ends. Crew will chill up Bobby Hill. This is living, man. Bragging about that left you got, that no one saw or just forgot. Sound of the seas, the soundtrack theme. Living the dream, wasting time, Corona and lime. Sunsets behind, the backdrop of the perfect picture. Mother Nature kissed ya. Forever we will live this way. Embrace the ocean spray. We are blessed, picturesque, the perfect day. We're gonna ride this out till the sun comes down for the freedom, freedom.
here's the wave, but then that's the level of the river. So it's like a whole level coming across and filling it up. So once the wave comes through, it's just absolute chaos behind it.